Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between Vivo V17 Pro versus the Oppo F11 Pro. Vivo V17 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 675 processor with a 8GB of RAM, while the F11 Pro comes with a MediaTek Helio P70 chipset with 6GB of RAM. And we have a quad cameras on the back on the Vivo V17 Pro versus the dual cameras on the Oppo F11 Pro. So it is very interesting to see how the Oppo F11 Pro stacks up against the Vivo V17 Pro. Vivo V17 Pro comes with a dual cameras on the front inside the pop-up selfie module. Main it is having a 32 megapixel with a 8 megapixel ultra wide in the front camera, which is amazing. So let's see the boot up test. I'm gonna boot these devices up at the same time and load them up first on the Oppo F11 Pro followed by the Vivo V17 Pro. Vivo V17 Pro is faster when it comes to booting up, followed by the Oppo F11 Pro, about 1 or 2 second difference between these devices. Vivo V17 Pro comes with a Full HD Super AMOLED display versus a Full HD IPS LCD display on the Oppo F11 Pro, not Super AMOLED. And let's see the app's opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background and you can see, and the first application we have is the phone dialer that is faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, followed by Vivo V17 Pro. Settings that was about the same on both phones. Mic lock on both phones, same result, no difference there. So launching the calendar, and that is little bit quicker on the Vivo V17 Pro. Oppo F11 Pro is right behind. My files, and that seems like a little bit quicker on the Oppo F11 Pro, followed by the Vivo V17 Pro. Calculator, and that is super duper quick on the Vivo V17 Pro, followed by the Oppo F11 Pro. So moving on with some games applications. So first we got is the Candy Crush Saga, and Vivo V17 Pro is done, followed by the Oppo F11 Pro, and you can see launching the Subway Surfer on both phones. And again, that is super duper quick on the Vivo V17 Pro. Not a huge difference between the Oppo F11 Pro and a Vivo V17 Pro. So last game application we have is the Temper Run 2 in this speed test, and you can see again Vivo V17 Pro is a little bit faster again in this application, and you can see about 1 second difference and not a huge difference. And guys, you can see that the system based applications, some it is faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, some it is faster on the Vivo V17 Pro. Games absolute time it is faster on the Vivo V17 Pro. So launching the cameras, and that is quicker on the Vivo V17 Pro, followed by the Oppo F11 Pro. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Vivo internet browser on the Vivo V17 Pro versus a Google Chrome on the Oppo F11 Pro. Amazon.com, same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and that is quicker on the Vivo V17 Pro, followed by the Oppo F11 Pro. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see it is very smooth on both phones. So next website is the youtube.com, and that is a little bit quicker on the Oppo F11 Pro, followed by the Vivo V17 Pro. And again, and the scrolling is very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. So let's see the RAM management on both phones. 6GB of RAM versus a 8GB of RAM on the Vivo V17 Pro. Phone dialer, no refresh. Settings, mic lock, no refresh so far on both phones. Let's see the calendar, again no refresh. My files, no refresh on both phones. Both phones is perform very good in the RAM management. 8GB of RAM versus a 6GB of RAM. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, that is also not refresh on both phones. Subway Surfer, no refresh. Let's see Temper Run 2, that is also Now refresh on both phones. Very good performance we have on both phones. And overall I would say that the system based application, it is some application faster on the Vivo V17 Pro and some it is faster on the Oppo F11 Pro. Games app storing time, it is definitely quicker on the Vivo V17 Pro. RAM management is absolutely incredible on both phones. Not much a difference between 6 gigs of RAM versus the 8 gigs of RAM. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between Vivo V17 Pro versus the Oppo F11 Pro. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.